Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2022 KLR650 Adventure. This bike is newly redesigned with fuel injection, liquid cooling, and this is the Adventure model. It comes with factory installed running lights, a USB power takeoff, and a 12-volt power takeoff. Locking removable saddlebags, only 188 miles on this amazing, it's brand new, it's still under factory warranty. Come on by, save $1,000 off the price of a new one. It's also got the low engine guards, only $79.99. We have finance and we have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. This bike has ABS brakes as well. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.